Yo, what is up guys? So today we are going to be going ahead and cutting into the NA Miata. So I have a few things I want to get done with this. So seat mounts, the rear rockers and like the rocker area, and then also the rear right quarter panel. And then from there, I'll just kind of improvise and see what else I can get done. I already have all of my stuff laid out to go ahead and start cutting. So we are just going to get right into it. So the first spot that I decided that I'm going to work on is going to be this like kicker rear rocker area. So I'm going to just start going ahead and cutting all of this out. I went ahead and moved on to the passenger side of the car, and I started cutting out the rear rocker, the kicker, whatever. I don't really know what this exactly is called. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments. I've heard it called like the kicker and like the rear rocker, so I'm unsure, but I started cutting all this back. At least this is a little bit more solid than like on the other side, but I mean, it's still also raunchy. As well as, obviously like up here, like this is gonna have to be addressed at some point. Right now I'm just trying to cut in and get behind and see what I need to fix on the actual car's structure. I went ahead off of camera and took the entire front end off of this thing. Unless you saw the last video that I deleted, because I didn't like how it went. I didn't really like it, so I deleted it. But we pulled off the front end, and we also, of course, I pulled off the rear tail lights and everything, and this bumper's all loose, so I can kind of get into here better. So now I'm gonna focus in on this and get that cut out. Alright, so with the rear quarter panel cut out, I think we did a pretty good job. I was kind of concerned about this part right here. I wanted to make sure I could keep, you know, good fitment on the taillight. So this is all good. A lot of this was actually had like body filler. So I don't know if they just filled over this because it got raunchy, or if somebody hit it, if it was respray. I don't know, but obviously it was some kind of body filler. I feel as if down here, you know, we're gonna have to cut in more and more and more, but for right now, this is a good start. This is what I wanted to get to. Obviously, you guys know I plan on doing the over fenders and everything, so a lot of that being cut out is no problem, because when you do the over fenders, you have to cut out that stuff anyways. The seat mount in here, I just plan on actually just making caps over, making new pieces. This bolt needs to come out, of course. But other than that, you know, all that rust needs to be pulled out and whatnot. But yeah. Obviously, you see I'm wearing a hoodie and a hat. It's starting to get colder here in Northeast Ohio. It's starting to pick up the wind and whatnot. So the days are getting numbered as, you know, that we can use for working outside. I have some bigger things happening in my life coming up in about within the next month and a half or so, and then real shortly there's another good thing. So you guys will be seeing more content of the NA Miata getting built and cut up and making it into that sick drift missile that I want to make it. And of course the NB is slowly going to, you know, just get put away for now. Of course I'm going to try to do the manual swap here over the winter once I get settled into, well, you guys will find out here in a week or two. I also got a new camera. I don't know if you guys noticed if the quality was any better, but I got a G7X, so hopefully the video quality is going to go up. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram and my Twitter. They will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Split that shit around. Now I'm high on the beat, so high. Had a dream last night and it was about you. Take another pill just to ease my mind.